What are the effects of loud noise? Oh, as a victim, as someone who like really suffers because of noise, I mean, I might just have misophonia, but uh, I think it makes you, well, it makes me, I'll talk about myself, right? Because in general, I know that this is something that I've experienced, that it makes you angry. It makes you really angry. It makes you frustrated. You cannot really concentrate on what you're doing. I mean, some people can, but like many people do have a problem if there's sometimes it's just like, and I live in a pretty good area. There's not much noise here, but sometimes you hear like a car go by and you're like, oh, I just like can't stand the noise. So over time, in fact, loud noise, not even just like regular noise, but loud noise will kind of, there's been studies that kind of show that people's anxiety levels, their blood pressure levels rise, and that's not obviously that's not healthy. So you have that, you've got health, literally actual health problems, not just like, oh, I got frustrated, I got upset, I got